Hello guys, welcome to my unboxing of my new San Martin GMT. I believe it's the GMT World Timer. Has a World Timer bezel. I believe it said it was an original design, so I'm kind of excited about that. And let's open it up. Yeah. So, from what I understand, these come straight from China. All the addresses that was on the shipping, the labels, the tracking was all from China, and it got here in 3 days. So that's pretty amazing. Went halfway around the world. Pretty cool. Always like having more tools. Nice. I like this. Another hard case. Looks like it's kind of dented a little bit right here. Yeah, it's a little scuffed up as well. So I paid, I believe, with the discount, I paid $251, $41. So it was $255, and there was a $20 discount plus $6 shipping. I don't know, it said free shipping, but then they charged me shipping. It was only $6. I just didn't bother to email them about it. It did say in like frequently asked questions that you could send them an email if something wasn't right with the shipping. I just haven't done it. It should just automatically come out. Okay, let's open it up. I'm excited. Let's see how it opens up. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, hold on. I got another strap in there, a NATO strap. Pretty awesome. I think it was a part of their sale. Let's see what else we got in here. This is the watch all packaged up. Here is a tag. Hard plastic. I guess that would go on the watch. It looks like it's just a tag to go on the watch. Maybe if I was selling it, if I was a reseller. Did I say reseller? Reseller. What else we got here? Nice. I like the logo. All right, let's open her up. Wow, this is pretty nice. Now, I believe this is a 38mm case width. So I'm a little apprehensive about that because I've never been a fan of small watches, but it was just such a beautiful piece online, and I just had to get it. And it looks really good. It looks really good. Wow, that's pretty cool. I mean, it's wrapped up in plastic at the moment. But yeah, that looks good. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a GMT world timer model. So it has all the major cities of the world around the bezel, and you can calculate the time relative to where you are by rotating the bezel. All right, I'm gonna take the plastic off and I'll get back to you guys. All right, here's the watch after I took all the plastic off. It looks pretty good. I don't see any scratches or anything like that. It looks good to me. I like that gear looking bezel edge. Look at that. It's kind of ribbed slash gear. It looks like gears almost. And I love this clasp, man. This clasp is really nice. Their big logo, that's right. Put your logo there. See that? Nice. All right, let's push it in, see if it'll fit any better on my wrist. I think I'm gonna have to take a few links out, but that's it. I mean, I'll do a review on it at some point, but that's it. I think it looks really good. This might be my new I don't know about daily wear, but this might be my new second place. I will definitely do a review on it, but for now, thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Take care.